So today we're going to Miracle Hill, Goodwill, and possibly another Goodwill. So let's see if we can go in and find anything that's going to make us some money. Oh, my poor puppies. I hate it when I have to leave them. Do yours do this too? My heart. Alright guys, so we're going to go through this like really fast. So if it goes too fast for you, let me know in the comments. If you like this format, let me know that as well. So right off the bat, I came across this Anthropologie quilted bomber jacket. I did get that, but I'm going to sell it closer to the winter time. Then I found this North Face jacket, and I mainly got it because of the colors. I think it'll sell because of that. Then I came across this We the Free. It's like a thermal top, and is that a newer label? I don't know. Then I came across these Coach flats, and I didn't get them because I had too much wear. Vineyard Vine seems to be performing pretty well, so I went ahead and picked up this extra large performance polo. And then I picked up this heavier piece by Ariat, whatever. It has this logo, but I still think it will sell really well. It's a fire resistant top. So the next thing that I put in my buggy were these North Face high vent women's pants, and I was checking the material in the back. Sometimes that gets really cracked because of the wash wear, but these were in good shape, so I definitely grabbed them. I did not pick these up, but I wanted to show you guys because these were the weirdest Under Armour shoes ever. As you see, they got the Ray Dunn marked up as always. For now, Ariat jeans are always going to be a pickup for me. They seem to sell really well pre-owned. These were a bigger size, but I definitely grabbed them anyway. Then I found these really cute Prana, like yoga pants. I like the detail at the bottom. Then I had this Sundance shirt. I think this one will do really well. Y'all know I love to pick up Sundance tops because they sell pretty quickly. Y'all check out this Iron Maiden hoodie. It is really cool. I love the graphic on it, and although I don't think it was like original or anything, I still would like to try to sell it. I would have picked up this J. Jill top, except for it was a size medium, and J. Jill tends to sell in the larger sizes a little better. I picked up two nice button-up men's shirts. One was Mizzen in Maine, which is a good brand to sell. I also picked up an Eaton button-up shirt, and they were both in great sizes. This next one I did not get, but oh my gosh, I loved the Chicago Bulls when I was a kid. And this Thrasher shirt I got for my teenage son. So then I picked up a couple of dresses. This first one was a Trina Turk dress. I love the tribal look, and I realized it was part silk, so that was good. And then I saw this extra small Madewell. It was like a kimono type dress, and it felt really great, and it was 100% silk, so I got that also. I picked these clogs up just based on style. We will see how they do. I told you guys in my last video, I always look through the electronics and the hard goods, but I don't usually come up with anything. So before I left this store, I found a men's pair of Theory pants, but I didn't pick them up because they had a scuff on the back. So next we hit the Miracle Hill, and the first thing I came across was this YSL blazer that was like a corduroy, and I could not find a care tag or a size tag. I checked all the pockets, and the only thing I could find was this fruit stripe gum trash. The only plush coming home with me is this little baby shark I got for my dog. I was for sure going to take these J. Crew sandals home until I saw the price on the back. No way. So while we're checking out this overpriced stuff, I'm going to show you some of the sales that I made on things that we picked up together in the last few thrifting videos that I did. So some of that stuff sold pretty well. Now, I get excited in a minute because I looked over and I see the Sam Edelman that I would usually actually buy. But then I looked and saw all the wear on it and was like, okay, yeah, no, that's not going to happen. I was lucky enough to find this men's Vuori piece, however you pronounce that. So that was a great find. I did get these Allbirds because they were like new. I got this Bowden dress, rapid fire here. I got this beautiful Sundance top, and I got this FootJoy performance like pullover for golf. And I got this North Face men's vest. We are at our second Goodwill of the day, and I had to show you these Patagonia pants they put out. Like, why did they even put those out? That is terrible. This is vintage Carhartt, but not the vintage Carhartt that goes for like hundreds of dollars. I have sold one of those and always keep an eye out for them. I'm thinking 40 to 50 on this one though. So this is Live by Habitat Clothes, and I have not picked up this brand before, but I notice it sells fairly well. Should I have gotten this Betsy Johnson dress? Dresses are an area that I don't know very well yet. So excited that I found 2 more Sundance tops. I don't think the thermal one right here will do as well, but it's a size large, so we'll see how it does. It was in really good condition and so soft. We are going to head on over to the toy section. Every once in a while I can find something great over here. Not this time though. But that Saturday 25% off entire purchase thing looked really good. And I would have got that for my son because he loves Star Wars, but yeah, he has enough lightsabers as it is. So I just couldn't find anything except for this ugly, creepy spider. Do you guys pick up Cole Haan? If you do, let me know in the comments how it sells for you. I don't know, guys. I wasn't having luck in the shoe area today. I kept checking, and I just couldn't find anything. These were a pair of Bernie Mev, like nice spring shoe, but I don't know. They had some wear to the heel, and the comps really didn't look that great. There was a pair of Crocs that just wasn't worth picking up. That's it, guys. She loved her little Sharky toy that I brought home to her, and my other dogs were really jealous because apparently she was going to hog the baby shark toy. Anyway, like and subscribe if you want more content, and I will see you guys on the next video.